Good morning. Today we are going to discuss more examples on Karnaugh map. In the previous class, we have discussed how to minimize 3-variable Boolean expression and 4-variable Boolean expression using Kermap. Here we taking a 3-variable truth table. When we looking at the truth table, we can obtain some information from the truth table. Look at the output of the truth table, that is the column for y. The output is high for two values, that is for first is for 1 0 0 in the binary 1 0 0, the equivalent decimal number is 4, and here it is 1 0 1, it is decimal 5. Okay, just remember the positions of the K-map. Okay, we know that in 3-variable K-map, this is for the position 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The first row is for 0 and 1, and the second 2 3, and the third row is for 6 and 7. Okay, then the last row is for 4 and 5. Then in the truth table, we know that it is high, the output is high for 4 and 5. Then we denote 1 here, and the remaining quantities, let it be zeros. Okay, here all the values except 4 and 5 as zeros. Then looking at the K-map carefully, we can see that these two ones form a pair. Okay, then it is a 3-variable K-map. When a pair is formed, one variable must be reduced. Here which variable is reduced? Okay, then look at here. For this one, we can return, actually the result must be Here we can write y is equal to, for this one it is a b bar c bar. Okay, then it is a b bar and c bar plus. Okay, then for this one it is a b bar c. Okay, then a b bar c. Here which variable is complemented or uncomplemented in these two terms? Here we know that c bar is changed into c. C bar is changed into c. Then we can avoid that quantity. Okay, then only remaining quantity must be equal to what? Remaining quantity must be only this quantity. That is, the result must be equal to, y must be equal to a b bar. Is it clear? Okay, next we move to another example. Here a Karnaugh map is given to you. From that we have to obtain the truth table and the canonical SOP expression, and to obtain the minimized logical expression. From the given Karnaugh map we can obtain truth table and the canonical SOP expression and the minimized logical function also. Okay, just check here in the Karnaugh map. Here it is high and here also 1. This position is for what? Look at here, this position is for it is a bar, b bar, c, or it is 0 0 1. It is the position of 1, 0 0 1, and it is the position of 0 1 1. Then it is a position of 1 and it is a position of 3. Okay, then we can represent the function in the canonical SOP form must be equal to y is equal to min term of which quantity? That is 1, 3. Okay, 1, 3, and we can obtain truth table as here output is high for 0 0 1 and output is high for 0 1 1. All the remaining quantities, it must be equal to 0. Okay, then we get the truth table and also the canonical SOP form. And to minimize the K-map, we can pair the two ones as vertical in vertical direction. When we looking at these ones, it is the pair. Then here this C is not changing. When we moving downward, here when we moving downward, look at these parameters also. 0 0 is changed to 0 1. Which variable is changed? B bar changed to B, or we can write the using the expression as for the first one, for this one, it is the expression is A bar, we can write it as it is equal to, here we write it as y is equal to A bar B bar C. It is for the first one, and for the second one it must be equal to, it is A bar B A bar B. For this one, the second one, A bar B, and in the upper side it is C. Okay, then A bar B and BC. Okay, then looking at the two terms, which variable is changed? Look here it is B bar, it is B, and the remaining quantities A bar, here it is A bar, here it is A bar, and here it is A bar, here it is C, and here it is C. Then the expression must be equal to A bar C. This result can easily understood from the K-map itself. That is, when we looking at the K-map, look here, when we moving downward, here the variable C is not changing, then in the result there must be a C. And when we moving downward, look at these variables, 0 0 changes to 0 1. Then the second quantity changes, that is for B bar, here it is B. Then which quantity is not changed? A bar. Okay, then the result is A bar C. Okay, then the result can directly obtain as y is equal to what? Y is equal to A bar C. Okay, we move to another question. here the truth table is given. Looking at the truth table, here two variables, sorry, for two cases there is high value, high output, here 1 and here also 1. It is for 100, that is 4, 110, that is 6. Okay, then canonical SOP form can be written as y is equal to sum of in terms of 4 and 6. Okay, then we can draw the K map as this one. Here, looking at the K map, here two quantities. It is the position of, here it is the position of what? It is the position of 4. Okay, that is 1 0 0. It is the position of 1 0 0, and it is the position of 1 1 0. 1 1 0 means that is equal to 6. Okay, then here we write okay, here Karnaugh map is drawn, then these two ones form a pair, is it? Okay, then we take it as a pair. Okay, then looking at this pair carefully, we can say that which variable remains constant? C bar. When we moving downward, here which variable is constant? That is here C bar is not changing. That is when we moving downward, this C bar is not changing. Then one quantity in the output, one quantity is C bar. Then looking at these quantities, here 1 1, here 1 0. 1 1 is changed to 1 0. That means the first one remains unchanged. That is the position of A. Then the result must be equal to what? It is A C bar. Okay, the result must be equal to y is equal to A C bar. Okay, next question. Here the SOP is given. What does it mean? It means that the output is high for 0, decimal 0 and decimal 2. That is the output is high for 0 0 0 and the output is high for 0 1 0. Okay, then we can construct a truth table as this one. Here 0 0 0 is high and 0 1 0 is also high. Okay, that two quantities are high. Then we go to the Karnaugh map. The Karnaugh map, look at these two ones, that is here this is for 0 0 0 and this is for 0 1 0. Okay, then we take it as a pair. Okay, in this pair, which quantities remains constant when moving downward? That is, when moving downward, here also C bar. When we moving downward, here in this column, C bar is constant, and here 0 0 is changed to 0 1. Then this B is B bar is changed to B. Okay, then A bar remains unchanged. Then the result must be equal to what? Result must be equal to y must be equal to A bar C bar. Okay. In the for example, only pairs are formed. Now we go to another example. Here there are 4 ones: 0 1 2 3. Okay, then look at the K map. It is position of 0 1 2 3. Okay, there are 4 ones. If we grouping these 4 ones, it is known as it is a quad. Okay, then we take it as a quad. When we get a quad, how many variable is reduced? 2 variable. Okay, 2 variable must be reduced. Here it is a 3 variable map. Then in the result, in the final expression, only one single variable must be there. Okay, then look at it is in the form of a square. Then in the square, first we have to go downward, then or we have to go vertically downward, and we have to move horizontally also. Then when we moving downward, 0 0 is changed to 0 1. Which variable remains constant? It is here A bar remains constant. Okay, when we moving horizontally, no variable remains constant. Then the result must be equal to what? Result must be equal to A bar. Okay, I repeat once more. Here, when we considering a quad, it is a square type. Then when we moving downward, this variable 0 0 changed to 0 1. Which variable is changed? The last bit is changed. Last bit is for B bar. B bar changed to B, and A bar remains constant. when we moving this way, that is when we moving horizontally, it is for C bar. C bar is changed to C. Okay, then there is no quantity remains constant. Okay, then the result must be equal to A bar. Okay, now we going to next example. Here also there are 4 ones, that is corresponding for 0, 2, 4 and 6. The Karnaugh map can be drawn as like this. It is position of 0, 2, it is 4 and it is 6. Once more, 0, 2, 4 and 6. Here we can group these ones as a vertical chord. Okay, as it is in vertical direction, when we moving vertically downward, only this quantity remains unchanged. Which quantity is it? Is C bar. Then the result is y is equal to C bar. When we moving downward, only this variable is not changing. Here look at 0 0 changed to 0 1 and 0 1 changed to 1 1 and 1 1 changed to 1 0. All bits are changed. 0 changed to 1 and 1 changed to 0 and 0 changed to 1. Here A and B already changed and C remains unchanged. Sorry, C bar remains unchanged. Then y is equal to C bar. Okay, here the canonical SOP given as 0 1 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, here 0 1 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, we can construct its truth table as this way, isn't it? Okay, then look at carefully to the map. Using the rules, we know that we have to make the group as large as possible. For making large group, we can fold this map. Okay, then when we looking at this one, these two ones can be paired with the last ones by folding or by rolling, isn't it? Okay, then it forms a chord. Okay, and here a pair can be also formed. And look here another pair can be formed. Okay, then here what are the quantities? One chord, there is one chord and two pair. Okay, we know that for the chord the output must be, look at here, this is the two elements of the chord and this is the another two elements of the chord. When we going from this one to this, 0 0 changed to 0 0 changed to 1 0, then which variables changed? A bar changed to A, B bar not changing, and here when we move horizontally, 0 changed to 1. Then for the chord, which quantity remains constant? B bar remains constant. Okay, then we can write in the result there is a B bar plus. Then looking at this pair, that is this pair, when we move downward, this one remains constant, this one remains constant. Okay, this one is corresponding for C. Then in the two variable there is a C, and the another variable, for that when we moving downward, C remains constant and 0 0 changed to 0 1. Which quantity remains constant? A bar. 0 remains constant, then first variable, that is corresponding for A bar. Okay, then we get it is equal to A bar C. Okay, and for the next pair is this one. For that, when we moving downward, C bar is constant, and here 1 1 changed to 1 0, then the 1 is constant, that is the result is A. Here the result is A and C bar. Then y is equal to, it is the result, y is equal to B bar plus A bar C plus A C bar. Okay, this is the result. Okay, now we going to the next problem. Here 6 ones K-map is given. In the K-map we can see 6 ones. Okay, the corresponding positions are 0 1 2 3 4 5. 6 ones are there. Okay, the truth table is given as this one: 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then looking at the map carefully, it forms a chord. Okay, first this is a chord, and these 4 ones can also be paired. Okay, there is two quads. We know that for a quad a single variable must be there, and there is two quads. Then there must be sum of two variables. Sum of two variables, that is the output must be equal to y is equal to for the first one, that is the quad in blue color, the output must be equal to a bar. Okay, look here, for this one, this quad, when we moving downward, a bar is not changing, b bar changed to b, and c bar changed to c, then a bar. Okay, when we looking these two, that is obtained from this one, it is for b bar. Okay, then the result is it is a bar plus b bar. It is the result. Okay, then I will give you some problem to work out, and you just work out it and submit it as assignment. I will give you some problem. Okay, next we here it is the one more example. K map is given and two tuple is drawn, and first quad is formed, and we can pair this one and these ones. There is two pairs also. Okay, then I write the result as y is equal to, here the result, y is equal to b bar plus a bar c bar plus ac. Okay, here b bar is corresponding for this red quad. Okay, and a bar c bar, that is corresponding for this pair. Look at here, a bar is not changing and c bar is not changing, and when we looking at this pair, a is not changing and c is not changing. Is it okay? One more example. It is the last example in three variable K map. 0 1 4 5 6 7. Okay, we can group these four as a chord, and we can roll the map to obtain another chord. Okay, that is, this forms one chord and another chord. Then the result can be written as y is equal to, for the blue chord, the result is A. Okay, A plus, and the red chord, it is B bar. Here it is, for the red chord it is B bar, and here also it is the same red chord. Then it is, the result is y is equal to A or B bar. Okay, now it is the problem to work out and submit as assignment. Here a K-map, it is the first question. It is the first question in the assignment. Okay, that is, here you have given the K-map and the truth table. From that we can obtain the SOP form as this one, and you have to group the ones and minimize the K-map to obtain Y. Okay, the next X problem, that is, let it be 2. Here it is a different map and the corresponding truth table is given. Okay, here the SOP form is y is equal to sum of 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay, you have to group the ones and minimize the map and obtain the expression for y. Okay, the next problem, here the SOP form is given. When we only get the SOP form, you have to capable of drawing truth table and K-map from this one. Okay, here the K-map corresponding for the SOP is this one. There are 6 ones corresponding for 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay, and the corresponding truth table is given. You should group the ones and minimize. It is the problem number 3. This is problem number. Problem number 4. The truth table is given and the corresponding SOP, and here the K-map and the truth table and SOP also given. You must group the ones and obtain the minimized expression for y. Okay. The next it is the question number 5. Truth table is given. From that we can obtain the K-map and SOP expressions. Here is question number 5 and this is the question number 6. Okay, here the SOPs are 1 is equal to 3, 5, 6, 7. You should find out the minimized expression of y. Okay, this is 7th one. SOP form is 0, 1, 4, 5. You should obtain the expression for y. And it is the 8th question. SOP expression is 1, 5. Okay. And here it is the 9th question. Here only the canonical SOP form is given. Okay, that is for the 3 variable map. It is min term of 0, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And the 10th question, here it is the min term of 1, 3, 4 5, 6, 7. 11th question. Y is equal to sum of m 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Next question. Here you have given an expression, that is a logical expression using K-map. You have to minimize it. The expression is, it is a 3-variable expression. The expression is a b bar c plus a bar b bar c plus a bar b c plus a b bar c bar plus a bar b bar c bar. Next question. It is also 3-variable expression, that is y is equal to ab plus b bar c plus c. Next question. Y is equal to a bar b plus a bar b bar c bar plus abc. This 14 question must be done and submit it as assignment. There is another set of questions from the 4-variable map also. Now we going to discuss more problems on 4-variable K-map. A 4-variable K-map is given. First we have to group the ones for simplification. Okay, here it is a chord and we can obtain another chord by rolling. It is first quad. By rolling we can obtain this quad, and another quad can be taken as this one. Okay, then the solution or the simplified Boolean expression can be written as it must be sum of three product terms, that is there is three chords. For this chord, look at this one. For this chord the result must be equal to, I write here, for the blue chord it is CD, and the first red it is, I write in the lower part. We know that when we moving this one, C bar is constant. When we moving downward, B bar is constant. Then it is B bar, C bar, and this chord. For this chord it is B bar D. That is, when we moving horizontally, each quantity remains constant, D remains constant. When moving downward, B bar is remains constant. Then look at the result. Result must be equal to, result is the sum of y is equal to sum of which quantities, B bar, C bar, C D, and B bar D. Okay. Okay. Consider another K-map. For variable K-map, here the SOP canonical form is given. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11. The corresponding K-map is drawn as this way. Here, look at here, this is a chord and this is a chord. First chord, this is second one, and now we can fold the map and obtain two additional chords. Okay, first one this is, and it is the second one. Then here we obtain how many chords? Four chords. Okay, for each chord, for first chord it must be equal to A bar, B bar. Look at here, when we moving horizontally, this quantity remains unchanged, A bar, B bar unchanged. Okay, then look at the blue square. For the blue square, I write here, for the blue square D, when we moving horizontally, D remains unchanged. When we moving downward, A bar constant. Then the term must be equal to A bar D. And for the this red one we obtain in the previous case, that is B bar C bar. It is B bar C bar and this one B bar D. B bar D. Then the result must be the sum of these quantities. Y is equal to A bar B bar A bar D, B bar C bar and B bar D. Okay, another example. A K-map is given. We have to pair, we have to group. Then look here, here is a chord and here also another chord. By rotating or rolling this map, we can consider it as a octet, isn't it? Then and here another chord is formed and a pair also formed here. Then for this octet, the result must be equal to, for octet 3 variable is reduced, then only a single variable must be here, then it is this single variable must be B bar. B bar is not changing, then it must be corresponding for B bar. And for this square, I write here this chord C bar not changing and A not changing, then A C bar. And for the pair, only a single variable is removed. There must be 3 variable. In the 3 variable there is CD constant and A bar. It is A bar CD. Then the result is y is equal to what? B bar plus AC bar plus A bar CD. Consider one more example. We can form a chord, another chord, by rolling another chord. There is 3 chord for this chord. Here for the first one it is C bar D bar. For this square, this chord C bar not changing and A bar not changing, then A bar C bar. And for this one, B not changing and D bar not changing, is B D bar. Then the result is sum of C bar D bar, A bar C bar, and B D bar. Okay. The next question is simplify the following SOP expression using the Karnaugh mapping. First question is x is equal to A bar B C bar D or A B bar C bar D or A bar B bar C bar D or A B C bar D or A B C bar D bar or A B C D. And the next question is y is equal to A bar B bar C bar D or A bar B bar C D or A bar B C bar D bar or A bar B C bar D or A bar B C D, A B C bar D, A B C D or A B bar C bar D, A B bar C D. First, we draw the Karnaugh map for the given Boolean expression. Here it is for the first question, that is for x, and the K-map for the second question is, it is for y. It is the second question. It is for y. Okay, look at here. How can we draw the K-map from the Boolean expression directly? Look at these terms. It is the order. We know that A, B, C, D. There are 4 variables. Then it is the easy way to write. If we see a complement, let it be a 0. Then it is 0, 1, 0, 1, and here 1, 0, 0, 1, here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then these values is represented in the K-map as high. Okay, for the value, first value 0, 1, 0, 1. For the 0, 1, 0, 1, here it is 0, 1, 0, 1, it is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, it is the first value. Okay, this is the first value. Okay, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. It is the first one. It is the second in the order, and 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. It is the third one, 1101. 111101. It is the fourth one, 1100. It is the fifth one, 1100. It is the fifth one, and last 1111. It is the last one. Then we draw the K map directly. In the similar way, we can draw the K map of the second. Okay, let us try. That is, okay, that is, here it is 0 0 0 1 0 0, here 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, it is the second map 0 0 0 1. It is the 0 0 0 1. First value 0 0 0 1, and the second 0 0 1 1. Third 0 1 0 0. Okay, 0 1 0 1. Okay, next 0 1 1 1. Next 1 1 0 1. 1 1 0 1. Next 1 1 1 1. 4 ones. Next 1 0 0 1. Next 1 0 1 1. Okay, in this way we can draw the map directly from the Boolean expression. Okay, it is the first question and it is for x. Okay, next we have to simplify the map, and if we simplify this map, we simplify the expression of x also. Okay, then we going to obtain a simplified expression for x and y. First we have to group. Okay, there is one code to pay. For the code we can write it is c bar d, and this pair is 1 1 constant, and when we moving this, what changes? D changes, c constant. Then it is a b c bar, and here this quantity is a b d constant, here d constant. Then the simplified expression for x can be written as x is equal to x is equal to a b c bar or a b d or c bar d. It is the simplified expression for x. Okay, in similar way we go to evaluate y. Here we group the ones as an octet and another pair. For the octet, look at here. Here a b changes, a and b changes, and here when we moving horizontally, c changes. It is the octet corresponding for d. Octet corresponding for d, and the pair corresponding to 0 1 not changing, and then 0 1 means a bar b, a bar b c bar. Then the result for y must be equal to y is equal to a bar b c bar or d. It is the expression of y. That lengthy expression is simplified into this way. Okay, using Karnaugh map. When we using Boolean algebra to reduce that expression, it must be very tedious process. Using Karnaugh map, it is very easy. Then we go into next problem. In some cases, we get the Boolean expression contain only 2 or 3 variables in the for variable. Look at this case. Here it is a 4 variable map expression, but in the first term only 3 variable is seen. Okay. Then when we expressing this quantity, we look b c bar d bar. We never consider a. A may be 0 or 1 whatsoever. Only consider b c bar and d bar. That is here I write that is the value of, I put a x here in the position of a. A may be 0 or 1, anything. Okay, then 1 0 0. Okay, then there is two values 0 1 0 0 and 1 1 0 0, and the remaining quantities is in 4 variables, and it is 0 1 0 1, next 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, this quantity can be expressed as a K-map easily. Okay, another problem, another question, that is y is equal to this way. All terms are in 4 variables. then there is no problem. Okay, first we write for this one, that is 0 1 0 0. 0 1 0 0 is put it as 1, and 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. The two quantities are make ones, then the remaining quantities is represented. Okay, actual process is we have to consider this quantity, that is B C bar D bar must be converted into, we can say that it is equal to 1 into, this is equal to 1 into B C bar D bar, or we can insert A or A bar. We know that A or A bar must be equal to 1, then B C bar D bar. Okay, then there must be two terms, that is one term is A B C bar D bar, or A bar B. Okay, I write dash here, A bar B C bar D bar, that is it is 1 1 0 0, it is 0 1 0 0, that is B C D bar is written as two terms, that is 0 1 0 0 and 1 1 1 0 0. Okay, if there is only a D bar, you have to only consider D bar. D bar means we can look only in the position of D, there is a 0, and the remaining position, let it be x x x, it may be 0 or 1. Then we have to put 1 in the positions of D bar. D bar is CD here, then it is the position of D bar, and it is also the position of D bar. Then we can put 1, all ones here, 4 ones, and here also 4 ones. Okay, the K map for the Y is equal to this one. Then we can reduce it by grouping ones in this way. There is two chords is formed. For the first chord, we write Y is equal to, for the first chord, B not changing and C bar not changing. B C bar, or here D not changing, then it is BD. This is the result. And the next case, it is not the expression of, it is not the expression of Y, it is the expression of X. First map is for X, and the second map is for Y. Okay, For that, we can group ones to form an octet, and these four ones can be formed as a chord. Then here only one octet and a one chord. This octet gives only a D, and this chord gives it is A bar B. Then the result is A bar B or D. It is the result. Okay, now I stop here and I will give you some problem from for variable to work out and submit it as assignment with the three variable K map. I will give you 6 questions. It is the 15th question. It is for variable map. Y of A, B, C, D is equal to sum M of 1, 4, 6, 9, 10, 11, 14, and 15. The next question, Y of A, B, C, D, sum of 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11. Okay, next question. It is Y is equal to A bar, B bar, C bar, D plus A bar B, C bar D plus AB C bar D bar plus AB C bar D plus AB bar C bar D. Next question, y is equal to AB plus A bar C plus C plus AD plus AB bar C plus ABC. Next question, y is equal to A B C bar D plus A bar B C D A bar B C D plus A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B bar D bar plus A C bar plus A B bar C plus B bar. Next question, y is equal to sum of 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 11, 13 and 14. Then there is 20 assignment questions. Submit the assignments before Monday. The link will be given in LMS. Okay, thank you.